First we are going to add ghee. To this we are going to add few cashews, badam. We need to roast this on a slow flame and get a golden color until it is changed to golden color. Make sure the flame is on medium low as it might burn. We need to keep on flipping this as this might burn. So once it is slightly golden, this is the color we want to get. Just remove this and keep it aside. Now to the same ghee we are going to add this bambino Sevai. These are already roasted bambinos which I have used here, so it might not require much of time. Maybe a minute is enough. We can see that the Sevai are crisp. To this we are going to add sugar. Sugar as per your taste, you can add it. If you need more sweet, you can add more sugar. I prefer medium sweet. So let the sugar melt down. I have used here white sugar. You can use brown sugar also, but this might change the color of kheer. But in case if you want to make it more healthy, you can use jaggery or brown sugar. And next we are going to add milk. I'm adding 2 cups of milk here, and to this we are going to add elaichi powder or crushed, little bit of color. Here I've used saffron infused in milk for getting a slightly rich color. You can also add condensed milk to this. Once the kheer is boiling, we can add the nuts. You can also add kalonji. I have not used here. In case if you have it, you can use those. It will add a nice crisps while you're having this kheer. So nuts is done. So we'll switch it off after a minute and then we can serve it. We can see that the milk is thickened. So now we can switch off the flame and serve it. Now let's serve this. I'm going to pour this kheer. And then garnish with more roasted nuts. So here is the instant kheer ready, and this I've made it for puja today. So happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all, and thank you.